Sum number 3. Solve x square dou plus z by dou x square minus y square dou z by dou y square minus y dou z by dou y plus x dou z by dou x equal to 0. We know already u equal to, we have to put log x, v equal to log y, x dou e by dou x equal to d. Here d means dou by dou x, dou u, d dash equal to dou z by dou v. We can put dz, not necessary for convenient. Dou z by dou v. Similarly, x square dou square z by dou x square equal to d minus 1. xy dou square z by dou x dou y equal to d dash. Similarly, y dou z by dou y equal to d dash. Y square dou square z by dou y square equal to d dash minus 1. This is all applying for this sum. Write say no function. Here d minus 1, d dash minus 1 minus d dash plus d dash of z equal to 0. D square minus d square plus d dash minus d dash plus d dash of z equal to 0. D cancel, d dash also get cancelled. D square minus d dash square of z equal to 0. D plus d dash into d minus d dash equal to 0. See, taking the factors d plus d dash and d minus d dash. First let us take d plus d dash equal to 0, comparing d minus m d dash minus c equal to 0, comparing d plus m d dash minus 0 equal to 0. This is written in the form. See, comparing these two, d dash is minus 1, comparing these two. C is 0. CF1 equal to e power cu phi 1 of v plus mu is the formula. U instead of x and y, we are using u and v. E power 0 phi 1 of v minus u, m equal to minus 1. Therefore, phi 1 of v minus u is CF1. CF1 equal to phi 1 of v minus u. Again, we have to find second complementary function. D minus D dash take as equal to 0. See, D minus MD dash minus C equal to 0 is the standard formula we are taking for all sums. D minus D dash minus 0 equal to 0. Comparing these two, M equal to 1, C equal to 0, CF2 e power Cu 5 V plus Mu e power C0 e power 0 5 V plus U 5 V plus U CF2 equal to 5 V plus U. Again, we are going to write general solution. General solution is that equal to CF1 plus CF2 is that equal to 5 V minus U plus 5 V plus U. 5 V is log Y, U is log X plus 5 log Y plus log X. 5 log of Y by X, log Y minus log X, log Y by X plus 5 log product means product is sum in the log. This is answer. Sum number 4. X square dou square divided by dou x square minus 4xy dou square divided by dou x dou y plus 4y square dou square divided by dou y square plus 6y dou z by dou y equal to sine 3 log x. We know u equal to log x, v equal to log y. X dou by dou x equal to d s square dou square z by dou s square equal to d minus 1. xy dou square z by dou x dou y equal to d dash. X dou z by dou y equal to d dash. X square y dou z by dou y d dash. Y square dou square z by dou y square equal to d dash minus 1. We are applying in this sum. d minus 1 4 d dash plus 4 d dash minus 1 plus 6 d dash equal to sine 3 log x. d square minus d minus 4d d dash plus 4d dash square minus 4d dash plus 6d dash of z. I have not written of z, you have to write of z. Of z equal to sine 3 log x of z equal to sine 3 log x. See, d square minus 4d d dash plus 4d dash square. Minus d plus 2d dash of z equal to sine 3 log x. This is a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole a square minus 2ab plus b square applied. Minus take out d minus 2d dash of z equal to sine 3 log x. One factor take out d minus 2d dash into d minus 2d dash minus 1 of z equal to sine 3 log x. Take the first factor d minus 2d dash equal to 0. D minus md dash minus c equal to 0. Comparing these two, d minus 2d dash minus 0 equal to 0. Comparing these two, m equal to 2, c equal to 0. CF1 equal to e power cu 5 v plus mu is the basic formula. Instead of xi, we are using u and v. C0 is 1 e power 0 5 v plus 2u equal to 5 v plus 2u. Similarly, next factor d minus 2d dash minus 1 equal to 0. Compare this with m minus d dash minus c equal to 0, m equal to 2, c equal to 1. CF2 equal to e power cu 5 of u v plus mu e power u 5 of v plus 2u. Let us write this complementary function separately. CF1 to apply in the end. CF1 equal to 5 v plus 2u. CF2 equal to 5 of e power u 5 of v plus 2u. Again pi. D minus 2d dash. D minus 2d dash minus 1 of z sine 3 log x. Pi, particular integral. Pi sine 3 log x by d square minus 4d d dash plus 4 d dash square. I am writing, there is no space. Pi equal to sine 3 log x d square minus 4 d dash plus d the 4 d dash square minus d plus 2d dash applying for 3 log x equal to u equal to sine 3u plus 0v divided by d square minus 4d dash plus 4d dash square minus d plus 2d dash. Quotient of u is 3, quotient of v is 0. What is d square minus extra 3 square minus 9. d dash is minus extra 3 into 0 which is 0. d dash square negative 0 square which is 0. We are putting for this. Equal to sine 3u plus 0v divided by d square is minus 9 minus 0 plus 0 minus d plus 2d dash sine 3u plus 0v divided by minus d plus 2d dash minus 9 equal to sine 3u plus 0v divided by negative take out d minus 2d dash plus 9. Its conjugate is d minus 2 dash minus 9. Multiplying dividing by the conjugate of the denominator. Negative outside d minus 2d dash minus 9 sine 3u plus 0v divided by minus d minus 2d dash plus 9 into minus comes outside. D minus 2D dash minus 9 multiplied divided by D minus 2D dash minus 9. Applying A plus B into A minus B formula. A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. D minus 2D dash minus 9 sine 3U plus 0V divided by negative outside D minus 2D dash square minus 9 square. A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. Minus D minus 2D dash minus 9 of sine 3U plus 0V divided by A minus B whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square minus 81. 9 square is 81 minus D minus 2D dash minus 9 sine 3U plus 0V divided by D square is minus 9, D dash is 0 minus 81 minus D minus 2D dash minus 9 sine 3U plus 0V divided by minus 90. The minus plus D minus 2D dash minus 9 sine 3U plus 0V divided by 90 D sine 3U plus 0V minus 2D dash sine 3U plus 0V minus 9 sine 3U plus 0V by 90. Equal differentiation of D means with respect to U only. Therefore, 0 is a constant. Cos 3U into 3 chain rule. D means differentiating with respect to U only. Minus here V is 0, 0. If you differentiate V is 0, 0. Minus 9 sine 3U only by 90 equal to 3 cos 3U minus 9 sine 3U by 90. Three taking out cos 3U minus 3 sine 3U by 90. Therefore, 3 cos 3U minus 3 sine 3U by 30. Writing general solution. Z equal to CF1 plus CF2 plus PI. Z equal to phi 1 of v plus 2u plus e power u phi 2 of v plus 2u plus 3 cos 3u minus 3 sin 3u by 30. Z equal to, apply phi 1 of v equal to log y 2 log x plus e power u is log x phi 2 of log y plus 2 log x plus cos 3 cos 3 u is log x minus 3 sin 3 log x by 30. Equal to phi 1 of log y plus log x square, these two as a power in log, plus e log x is just x only, phi 2 of log y plus log x square plus cos 3 log x minus 3 sin 3 log x whole divided by 30 equal to this is the final solution. Log y of x square x phi 2 of log y x square plus cos 3 log x minus 3 sin 3 log x by 30. I am writing below for to write clearly. Cos 3 log x minus 3 sin 3 log x by 30 is the answer. Next, fifth sum. Sum number 5. Solve x square dou z by dou x square plus y square dou z by dou y square plus 2xy dou z by dou x dou y equal to log xy. We are taking u equal to log x, e per u equal to x dou e by dou x equal to dou z by dou x equal to d, x square dou z by dou x square equal to d d minus 1. Similarly, v equal to log y, e power v equal to y, xy dou square root z by dou x dou y equal to d dash, d equal to dou z by dou u, d dash equal to dou z by dou v. Similarly, y dou z by dou y equal to d dash, y square dou square z by dou y square equal to d dash minus 1. Applying all this in the sum. D into d minus 1, d dash into d dash minus 1, 2 d dash of z equal to log x plus log y. Product separated to addition in the log formula. D square minus d plus d dash square minus d dash plus 2 d dash of z equal to log x plus log y. D square plus 2 d dash plus d dash square minus d dash of z equal to u plus v. Therefore, there itself we can write u plus v. D plus d dash whole square minus d plus d dash of z equal to u plus v. D plus d dash, one factor take out, remaining d plus d dash minus 1 of z equal to u plus v. D plus d dash minus 1 of z equal to u plus v. Take the first factor, d plus d dash equal to 0. D minus m d dash minus c equal to 0. Compare the coefficient d plus d dash minus 0 equal to 0. Here m equal to minus 1, c equal to 0. Therefore, CF1 equal to e power cu 5 v plus mu. E power c is 0, 5 v plus v minus u. 5 v minus u. CF1 equal to 5 v minus u. Again, taking the second factor, d plus d dash minus 1 equal to 0. D minus m d dash minus c equal to 0. Compare the coefficient, m equal to minus 1, c equal to 1. CF2 equal to e power cu 5 of v plus mu. E power u, c is 1, 5 of v minus u. Therefore, CF2 equal to e power u 5 of v minus u. We are going to see the particular integral pi u plus v divided by d plus d dash minus 1 u plus v by d plus d dash 1 minus take out negative this 1 minus d dash minus u plus v d plus d dash into this take to the numerator. What? 1 minus d plus d dash whole power minus 1 of u plus v equal to minus binomial expansion in the numerator. 1 plus d dash, second square not necessary. These are all u and v are powers of 1 divided by d plus d dash u plus v. Equal to negative. Bring u plus v inside. D of u is 1. D dash of v is 1 divided by d take out 1 plus d dash by d. 1 by d, this also bring, take to the numerator d dash by d of minus 1 of u plus v plus 2. We have applied one binomial expansion, 1 minus x whole power minus 1, 1 plus x square plus etc. applied here. 1 plus x whole power minus 1. We are going to apply this 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube, alternate sign plus etc. This we are using binomial expansion. 1 by d, 1 minus d dash by d, square not necessary, plus etc. of, there are single powers of u and v plus 2. 1 by d take inside. 1 by d minus d dash by d squared of u plus v plus 2. You bring inside this minus 1 by d u plus v plus 2 minus d dash by d square u plus v plus 2. Minus, wherever you are removing d in the denominator, you have to integrate with respect to x only, u only. Therefore, u square by 2 plus uv plus 2u integrated. Negative is common. Minus d dash means differentiation. With respect to v, therefore 1 only, d dash is only remaining as constant divided by d square 2u, d square into a bracket, u square plus 2 plus uv plus 2u. One time different, integrate u by d minus u square by 2 plus uv plus 2u. Again integrate u square by 2. Integration of only du is u du is u square by 2. Cancelling these two, remaining is minus uv plus 2u. Again writing general solution. General solution is that equal to CF1 plus CF2 plus Pi z equal to 5/1 V minus U plus e power U 5/2 V minus U minus of UV plus 2U equal to 5/1 V is log y minus log x e power log x 5/2 log y minus log x minus log x into log y yes log y 5/2 log x into log y minus plus 2 log x z equal to 5/1 log y by x 5/2 log y by x, they are wrongly written. Five to log y minus log x minus log x into log y plus 2 log x. Z equal to 5/1 log y by x plus e power log x is just x 5/2 log of y by x minus log x into log y plus 2 log x square is the answer to both s power.